Kira, what's the problem? What don't you like? Swallow it. Swallow the pear and eat the rest of your pasta, and you can go blow bubbles. You have to swallow that, though. No spitting it out. You have to swallow it. Swallow. Swallow. Close your mouth and swallow. Where are you going? Where are you going? I told you to swallow it. Swallow the pear. Swallow the pear. Kira, that's like a tiny morsel of pear. Swallow it. Oh.